Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Pentaho for data integration, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Pentaho Data Integration. Create a new transformation by clicking on File and selecting New. Drag and drop the input step from the design palette. Choose a source type, such as CSV file or database table. Configure the input step by double-clicking it. Select the appropriate file or database connection. Define the schema if using a database. Click Preview to ensure the data loads correctly. Next, drag and drop a transformation step into the workspace. Connect the input step to the transformation step by drawing a line between them. Configure the transformation step by double-clicking it. Apply any necessary transformations, such as filtering or grouping. Once configured, add an output step from the design palette. Choose your desired output type, such as text file or database table. Connect the transformation step to the output step. Double-click the output step to set its parameters. Define the output file path or connection settings. Click Preview on the output step to check the results. Now, click on the Run button to execute the transformation. Monitor the logging output for any errors. If successful, check your output destination for the results. Make any necessary adjustments and rerun if needed. After finalizing the transformation, save your work. Consider documenting your process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.